Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie and this is a chicken or homestead. So today what we're going to be doing is the rabbit butcher station. I have some rabbits that I've been needing to process a long time ago, and we're finally getting the butcher station together. And it's going to be a combination of the rabbit butcher station, the duck, and a chicken, so like an all-in-one. I tried looking on Pinterest and didn't really see like a whole lot of stations, so we kind of just made one up, or Tanner made one up. If it's like super windy right now, it's not going to be like this the whole video. I'm going to time lapse it so you won't hear any of that annoying wind. All right, I'm very excited. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me and see enough of this. I was playing back the video and I couldn't hear anything. So I'm gonna try again and talk a little bit louder, but this was our build and it's going to serve as the rabbit, duck, chicken butcher station. Originally I wanted 4 animals to hang, but I didn't think we had enough material here and I didn't want to be all crowded, so we went with 3. Comment and let me know if you guys want to know the like dimensions of the supplies, or like the drill bit that we use to do the holes for us to hang the animals. Hoping if the weather is nice enough this weekend, we're going to be doing, or not we, me and my brother are going to be doing some rabbit dispatching. It's exciting because me and Tanner have, you know, been putting effort into raising our animals and having babies, and now we are at the point where we can dispatch and process and start having our own meat. So that's really exciting. So stay tuned. Hopefully I'm gonna have my first rabbit butcher video up soon. All right. Why do I say all right? I do it every time.